We have a saying in the East. To be a great hunter is not about being quick on the trigger, or being able to outwit your prey. It's about keeping your nerve. At least I think that's the expression. Someone talked! We have to go! Now! My lab! First they pay! There are too many! Back! Back inside, now!
But they are inside already!
Then we break through them!
Cover me!
Boss! What do we do?
Together!
No, they got started! We stay here and we're dead! We have to do something! Listen! Everybody! On me! On me! Давай! Hurrah! Move! Move! Давай! Clear! You want me? Come for me, Sobaki! Got one! We will not hold! Upstairs, now! Boris! 2 already! I'm on 17! More for everyone! Die, dogs! Say hello to my little friend! Hey, Boris! Say hello! Привет, сука! Нет, piece of shit, gun! Changing magazine! To the left! Eat this! To the right, boss! What all is left for us? You and me! There are too many! Ammo almost out! Boris! Watch my flank! Boris! Yes! Boris! Get back here, coward! Is that all you've got? The shooting. It stopped. Where did they go? I'll find you, Sobakis. You do not get the drop on Mikhail.
61st Avenue, 60 First Avenue. Danger 5 is en route. Apartment 18, Sea Lake and Charlie. Suspect is in custody. And for any 5 precinct unit that is connected.
All right, Mr. Molotov. Let me get this straight. You mean to tell us that you called this in, then ordered your men to open fire?
Brilliant plan. This way I get best special effects for a movie.
You do realize you've documented enough evidence here to get you the chair. I mean, you just shot up an entire FBI task force, for Christ's sake.
And save fortune on hiring extras. Your men very good.
Son of a...
Hey, how about some fucking popcorn? Guys, this is no good movie, please. Hey, Boris! You alive? Listen, get tape, get to producer, and then get me the fuck out of here. We got premiere to go to.